Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create or generate images, architecture images on Leonardo AI. So once you come to the website, it should look something similar to this, and all you have to do is to scroll and choose the architecture model here, and it should give us the community creations on different types of architecture. So this is what you would have. All you have to do is to scroll and look for something that will strike a chord in you, and you are good to go. So let's say wow, this chicken is quite good, but it's not architecture. Anyway, so let's say I want to create a very similar building to this. All I have to do is to click on the image and wait for it to show the prompt, and now it has given me the prompt. All I have to do is to copy the prompt here, and scroll down and check the presets and the dynamics and the preset style, which is Phoenix 1.0 and dynamic. Or I can just click on the remix option here, and it will take me to a page where I will just have to edit this prompt to give me what I desire. So this is how to check or create architecture images on Leonardo AI. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day.